So the tallgrass prairie once stretched from Texas to Minnesota, covering over 170 million acres of land. Prairie is this iconic American landscape, but it's one of the most endangered ecosystems on Earth. We've all heard about saving the rainforest, but 95% of the tallgrass prairie was converted to crops in cities and eliminated, and along with it, a lot of the wildlife that lived there. I'm Nick Barber. I'm a biology professor at San Diego State University, and I study how this vital ecosystem can be restored, how we can replant prairie and manage it to support biodiversity and provide benefits for people. My students and I study how interventions like controlled fire and the reintroduction of wildlife like herds of bison can help repair and return this vital and fragile ecosystem, and along with it, the diversity of plants, animals, and countless microorganisms that live in the soil. It's also really important to me to be able to tackle these challenges with talented and motivated students. I love it here at SDSU. The university's commitment to teaching and training means students have great opportunities to get involved in hands-on research. And it means we're training the next generation of leaders who can find solutions to benefit nature and people.